Guys, basically what's going down is my hair looks just about as good as my ball reaction because it's absolutely horrendous. But we got the Scorpion tomorrow, which means new day, new me. And that means new game plan. In practice, I thought I had a pretty decent look on it. I was throwing some reactive balls, a combination of like a Verge, a Hero Solid, and I thought I had a pretty decent look, playing a little further in, getting my ball to like 6, 7, 8. And I'm hoping the change of scenery in my bowling balls means a change of scenery in how many spares and splits I'm going to leave tomorrow. I'm looking to shoot maybe, what do you think, BJ, like 5 total spares tomorrow? 10 games? Maybe 3 splits?
I would go like 2 splits, 6 spares.
2 splits, 6 spares. You heard it here first. I'm about to set a PBA scoring record tomorrow on the Scorpion Championships? Yeah.
Yep.
On the Scorpion Championships. But until then, I need to catch some sleep and post this video. Peace.